अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स, क्या हाल है। उम्मीद करती हूँ आप सब ठीक होगे, खैरियत से होगे, खुश होगे। हम पढ़ रहे हैं इंग्लिश। हमारा टॉपिक है लेज़र टाइम। द बेस्ट रूल फॉर द एम्प्लॉयमेंट ऑफ आवर लेज़र टाइम इज़ टू मेक अ स्मार्ट a constraint as possible between our amusement and our work. It is a great mistake to make a practice of pondering over our work when we profess to be amazing ourselves, and as is done by those students who in the course of their solitary walks or in the cricket field try to think out intellectual difficulties. Anyone who does this is likely to return to his students entirely unrefreshed and to find that he was spoiled his place without benefiting his work. This rule is so important that if a student finds it is possible to avoid hard working in his solitary walks, he should either provide himself if with a cheerful companion or else take to some other form of amusement. The sportsman who goes with his gun in search of game, the botanist looking for plants or ferns, and the geologist armed with a hammer drive from more benefits from the time they spend in the open air than the man who simply from a sense of duty compels himself to walk to a distant point and back again. In Pakistan, there is not much scope for the study of zoology and botany, and the Pakistan student is generally barred by circumstances and the laws of his caste from shooting or fishing, which he probably also regards as equal pastime. This it happens that unless he has a natural taste for outdoor games or can cultivate such a taste, he must often has resort for objectless walks along the sea face. In Lahore, there are so many places like Garden Lawrence, Ricoco's, Aground Model Town, Park, and Gulshan Iqbal Park. The recently established are very popular places among the people to work and enjoy the luxury time, and many historical places like Bashahi Mosque, Fort, and other places are both working and enjoying, some places are also for those people who have advantageous natures like Jello Park, Jhanga Manga. Small trains are also provided to the visitor to see each and everything in these places. Some of the holidays that occur in term time should be utilized for longer excursions. A student who goes through his schools and colleges career in Karachi without having sufficient enterprise to organize expeditions to these places thereby shows himself to be singly destitute of intelligent curiosity. Many learned men of foreign countries cross the ocean at great expense of time, money, and trouble to visit, but he, in the narrow-minded devotion to textbook, does not think worth the trouble of a day's journey. So far, we have been considering the way in which our leisure time may be fitability occupied if we do not happen to have any natural inclination for active outdoor games. Those who are fortunate enough to enjoy such games as cricket and lawn tennis have no reason to trouble themselves in the intervals of work. Their own natural inclination directs them to the healthless, plainest, and therefore most profitable amusement in which we intelligent students and can engage. The only danger is that the fascinations of these games may be too great to allow their votaries to devote a proper amount of time to their studies, but his danger has not yet attained formidable dimensions. In Pakistan, for example, do not care for Chinese games. A hobby will fill leisure hours with interest. Such pleasant hobbies as photography, sketching, or carpentry are rare recreations because they rest the mind by occupying it with something different from our regular work. यहाँ हमारी वीडियो कंप्लीट हो चुकी है। नेक्स्ट वीडियो के लिए नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मुलाकात होगी। आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी, वीडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें, कमेंट करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। अल्लाह हाफिज़।